Hello, my dear student of class 9. Today, once again, I am before you to exchange my view. Today, we are going to discuss the second lesson titled as The Sound of Music. It is written by Deborah Cawley, and this lesson is an extract of a biography which tells about two things. The first one is music, and second thing, musician. In the first part, it is titled as The Sound of Music, and in this piece of writing, the writer has brought a very sensitive issue. It is how to listen, how to understand if the means of hearing is quite unable to function well. The lesson is about the rich and cultural heritage of India, its music, and the supporting musical instruments. And before going through the lesson, we must know the character I am discussing about the first part of the story. There are two characters. The first one, Evelyn Glennie, and the second one is Ron Forbes. My dear, this is the story of a girl who is unable to listen, and it did not happen all of a sudden, but gradually. And I can say that she was profoundly deaf, but despite of her disability, she became an icon of disabled person. She was 11-year-old. She had a problem with the sense of hearing. And now you may imagine, how can a person understand any thought, any music, if the listening means is quite unable to function well. I see, despite of all troubles, it started at the age of 8. As I told you, it did not happen all of a sudden. But her foremost desire was to set up a career in music. But once again, there comes a question to discuss, that despite of her disability, how could she set up her career? Other thing, she was discouraged by her teachers. One day, she saw a girl was playing with xylophone. She also took interest in it, but was very unfortunate moment for her. Her teachers discouraged, telling her that you cannot play it. you cannot realize, you cannot feel the value of music. Here we see that in what way she became an able person and started learning. My dear, if a person is too much desirous, very hardworking, and determined, the person can do anything. Nothing is more difficult for him or her. And thus she experienced how to use her body and mind to feel the music. After that, she never looked back. It is very curious. This lesson provides a very good teaching that in what way a person can upgrade. I am here to draw your kind attention towards your syllabus, and we get together every day and remind you not to revise only but to improvise also. Improvise means to work with the asset available with you in a very good way. And I think my students are very witful, they are doing better. Although we are not coming closer, physical distancing is said to maintain, so we are living far away from each other. But doing so by means of this device, I am always with you, and I think you all are doing better. I see and we ponder that what would be the morale of this lesson. First, as we see with the character, disability cannot stop a person to achieve his goal. If but for that, the person should be determined towards hard working. In other words, I can say that to achieve any sorts of goal, two factors are very required. It is sheer determination and hard work. Lot of people are seen doing hard work, but some of them are failure. They do not achieve their goal. You may ask what happens with them. Actually, as I told you just, sheer determination. We should determine first and invest our maximum time, our maximum labor in this regard. In lack of that, we cannot obtain that. So I think you all are every day are doing something. Evelyn Glenn listened to sound without hearing, and her physical status has come before us. It is known to us that she was unable to listen, but for that she never became disappointed and went on and on courageously. She visited different universities and ultimately a very good mentor, a very good teacher named Ron Forbes came forward to support her. My dear, it is not the duty of a teacher to discourage his students. It is his duty to motivate and inspire as much as he or she can. And in this way, we teachers can inspire, can motivate. Her teacher made a very straight path for her and made her ready by upgrading the sense of listening through her mind and soul. She was disabled only by her ears, not by her soul. She had her mind, she had her soul, she upgraded and approached her sensitivity how to listen. And by means of vibration of the instrument, she upgraded and made her able to listen as we people listen to the music. She is an inspiring character for everyone. Evelyn Glean is a perfect example that disability cannot stop a person to achieve if he or she is determined. And this determination shows that not only Evelyn but anyone can be so. Evelyn earned many awards and rewards. She has given enormous pleasure to millions, and it is very surprising for anyone that in what way the girl became an icon for others. In other video lecture, I shall bring you the details of the girl, her work, her achievement, her function, and the way of obtaining goal, especially for those are disabled and can do nothing.